Yeah, we have this question for the following sequences: 1, 2. Okay. A. Find the next two tens. B. The 28th tens. Sum of the first 20 tens. So we're going to do A, B, C for each of the questions. So let's look at the first one. The first one, we have 5, 7, 9, 11. So we want to get the next two tens. So this is your first 10, which is 7, second 10, first 10 is 5, second 10 is 7, third 10 is 9, the fourth is 11. If you look at the pattern, you realize that it's increasing by 2. Okay? It's increasing by 2. The common difference in this case is 7 minus 5, which is also the same as 9 minus 7, which is also the same by 11 minus 9. Okay? That is 2. This confirms this is what? Arithmetic progression. Okay? So the next two times we just be got to what? We just be adding, if it's arithmetic progression, the pattern will be increasing by that value of your common difference. And that will be equal to, the next two times will be 13, followed by what? 15. So that's the next two tens of that sequence. Okay? Let's get the 28 tens. 28 tens. Don't forget we said the n times of a sequence is this formula, u1 plus this. For 28 tens, n is what? For 28 tens, n is 20. Because n is number of tens. N is 20. So we just go to u20, u subscript 20 equal to my u1, u subscript 1, that's the first written number, which is 5, plus. My n is what? My n is 20. 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1. Times what? The common difference is what? Is 2. So I'm going to have 5 plus 19 times 2. And that will be equal to what? 5 plus 38. 19 times 2, that will be 38. So add it together, that will give us what? 43. That's it. 28 tenths of that sequence. Okay? So let's do this C part of that question. The sum of the first 20 tenths. Don't forget this formula for sum. In this case now, we don't have the last 10. Okay? So the formula we're going to use will be this one. N over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So that's a sum for arithmetic progression. We know the n. My n is what? That's 20 over 2 into brackets. 2 times, my a is what? My a is 5 plus 20 minus 1, that's 19 times d, that's 2. Okay? And that will give me 20 over 2, that will be 10. For some of the, that will be 10. That will be 10 into brackets. 2 times 2a. My a is 5. 2 times 5, that's 10. Plus 19 times 2, that's 38. So if you do it, this will give you, this will be equal to, this will be 48 times 10, that's 480. Okay? So that ends the first segment. That ends that question. Then we'll repeat the process also for the second question. Okay? That's the second question. For number 2, we have 2. This is 2. We have 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 7. We want to find the next two tens. Okay, let's find that. Our A is what? What we can do is for us to get the common difference. Okay, that'll be minus 1 the second times minus the first 10, and that's what? Minus 3. That means this sequence is increasing by this common difference by minus 3. And that's confirming 2 plus minus 3. That will give minus 1. Minus 1 plus minus 3. That will give minus 4. Minus 4 plus minus 3. That will give minus 7. So that means the next one will be equal to what? The next one will be equal to minus 10. And then the next one will be equal to what? Minus 13. Just be adding the common difference. So that one is done. Then let's get the B part, the 28 tenths, U20 of the sequence, and that will be equal to U1 plus n minus 1. That's the formula. And then your U1 is what? That's 2 plus 19 times minus 3. Okay, and that will give me, that's 2 minus, so that would be minus 55. That's minus 55. Then the C part, the sum of the first 28 tenths, that will be this equal to n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into bracket d. And that will be equal to n is 20 over 2, that's 10 into brackets 2 times. My A is what? My A is 2, and then plus 19 times minus 3. And that will be equal to 10 into bracket 4. This will be minus 57. That's 57. And that will be equal to 10. 4 minus this, that's minus times minus 53. So that's minus 530. So that end is this question. Okay. Please join the next. If you're new on this channel, okay. If you're new and you have not subscribed, please quickly do that right now. Okay, and also click on the notification bell so that as we upload, you get notified. Okay, and we also appreciate your comments, constructive comments. Okay, thank you for doing that.